What if I told you that you can turn any shape into a perfect, seamless pattern in Adobe Illustrator? Sounds crazy, right? Well, with this simple trick, you can elevate your illustration and take your designs to the next level. Welcome to day 10 of learning digital art. Today, I'll show you a super easy trick to create a seamless pattern from any shape. And trust me, it's gonna change the way you design. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, by end of this video, you will be able to create custom patterns effortlessly. So let's jump right in. First, draw any shape in Adobe Illustrator. It could be a circle, a star, or even a custom shape. For this demo, I'll go with a simple circle. You can also add color or stroke if you want. The fun part is there's no rules here. Just experiment. Select your shape and go to Object, Pattern and Make. Illustrator automatically puts your shape into a repeating pattern, but we can tweak it to make it even better. Try adjusting the tile type, grade, brick, depending on the effects you want. You can also space them out or overlap them for cool effects. Play around until you love what you see. Once you are happy with your pattern, click Done on the top bar. Now your pattern is saved in Swatches panel and you can apply it to any object. With this simple technique, you can create patterns from any shape and apply them to your designs and illustrations to enhance them. And just like that, you have turned a simple shape into a professional pattern. Now tell me in the comments, what is the craziest shape you want to turn into a pattern? If you found this trick helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a design hack like this. See you in the next one.